when we plug this PS5 in and push the power button, absolutely nothing happens. That's the power and eject button. So here we are under the microscope. You can see a load of flux around this HDMI retimer IC. If we go across to the right hand side, we eventually get to our south bridge. Now that actually might be an APU issue, but what I am going to do is replace the HDMI retimer IC. I'm going to power it on just to show you it working. Pushing the power button, we get the blue lights down here. We can see on the screen that we have video output.
For your Xbox and PlayStation repairs, visit consoletherapy.com.